isa sa parte. Picture muna sila.
Picture, iPhone 16 Pro Max, fully paid from Qatar. Picture na kayo sa iPhone 16 Pro Max, fully paid from Qatar. From Meshi. Picture. Dapat sweet nila. Ayan. Ay, Kuya Sam. Mag-kiss mo na yan. Medal ba? Kiss na po, mag-picture. Ayan. Sa may mga partner, asawa, mag-picture na po para nakakain na makauwi. Ayan. Sa may mga asawa, mag-picture na. Ano ba sa father? Kaya kung saan? Mag-picture? Wow, iba talaga. Capture iPhone 16 Pro Max fully paid from Jalir. Ay, iba talaga si Melo. Pinilig pa rin. Aslong pa. Iba talaga si Tita sa dito. Next. Next couple. Ano ito picture? Si Pesa ba? Si Pesa, picture. Wala, may pinagsakan ako may kiss. Sige. The balance times, may sumpa. Kasi pag-ibig sa kayo, mag-iwalay. Kaya mag-iwalay. Dito mo nalaman kung mahal mo talaga ang asawa mo. Okay, kiss. Okay, yes. Iba? Kilig mo. Kiss ko yan. Baby, saan mo naman yung mga tito natin? Ang next, si Mayor. Mayor, tsaka si First Lady. Ako na si Ate. Mag-picture ba? Pwede lang ba? Marami sa evidence. Kailangan na evidence siya. Sige, marami sa picture mo.
Tapos sa mga picture? Tapos na?
Kasi kailangan ng picture. Sa mga walang jowa, partner, pwede rin mo mag-picture.
Kasi ito, Joel, pag nag-start ka na mag-pray, tawagin ko na yung mga tao sa labas. Doon kasi nakatambay na.
Kakain
Oo
mo.
nga.
Kakain mo.
Small or big?
Okay, we would like to call on our birthday celebrants, Mr. Nelson and Miss Alma, to please sit in front of the
Pasok! Pasok mo rin!
venue.
Ayan.
Okay, so we will celebrate tonight the Valentine's Day back to back with the double birthday celebration of Miss Alma and Nelson. Okay, so in just a few minutes, we will start the short program.
So for now, sasaya mo na ang mga birthday celebrant na budots. Palakasan ang tuhod. Kung sino pa walang arthritis. Wali. Mayor! Mayor Oxford, mo si Mayor. Mayor! Ano ba? Mag-share ka naman ng mga sa Senado.
The program proper for the event tonight, the Valentine's Day, and together with the birthday celebration of Miss Alma and Nelson. And tonight, your masters of ceremony is the one and only DJ Jules. DJ talaga. With my co-host here, Princess Valeria. Okay, so
Opening prayer po to lead by Mami.
okay, everybody please stand up for the opening prayer.
Itaas ang kamay. Mahirap magpasabi ng mga bata kasi English speaking man kasi. Guys! Okay, slowly.
Okay, on your head. Dear God, we gather here before you to celebrate the Valentine's Day. Amen. So now we will have the prayer before meal para po makapag-dinner na tayo, no? And then later we'll have the short program after our dinner. Okay? Bless us all.
Give me now.
So, before we will start the dinner, everybody will sing happy birthday. Okay? Music, please. Everybody, please sing.
Guys, nagkainan na sila. Ayan. Kainan na, kainan. Gabi na. Sige pa, sige pa.
Arnold Revelala, please come in our kissing booth. Mr. Arnold Revelala. Dito ka muna kayo. Sa booth, kissing booth. Mag-picture ka na lang din. Okay, stay firm, Mr. Revelala. Now we would like to call his better half. No other than Miss Edna Rupa. Miss Edna Rupa, please give a round of applause. Yes. Okay. This is for the couple celebration. Will you marry me? Ako propose. Yes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Kiss. Kissing booth. Woo! Yay! A picture. 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Magiging yung kissing booth.
Great.
Okay?
Tapos Valentine's.
Next. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Oriente. Reg Oriente. Yes, please come to your booth or kissing booth. Please stay put in the kissing booth, inside the booth. And we would like to call on Miss Jen Oriente. Mr. and Mrs. Oriente. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Oyeste. And now we would like to call on Leroy. So we would like to call on Mr. Larry and Miss Reggie. Calling Mr. Larry and Miss Reggie. Okay, Mr. Larry will get inside the kissing booth, and then Miss Reggie, you will offer a gift to your husband. Ikaw ang magbibigay sa kanya ng flower, ng rose. What will you say, Reg? Happy Valentine's. So this is a kissing booth, so it's a must. Woo! Then Lekpot, Mr. Ruel Lekpot, we would like to call on Mr. Ruel Lekpot. Mr. Ruel Lekpot. Hi, Mr. Ruel Lekpot and Mrs. Lekpot. Okay? Kuya Ruel, you will get inside the kissing booth. Doon ka pumasok sa kissing booth. Ikaw na. Tapos, Ate Tess will offer a rose for you as a Valentine's gift. Oh, see, Mr. and Mrs. Lekpot. Okay? This is a kissing booth, so it's a must for a kiss. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much, Mr. and Mrs. Lekpot. And now, we would like to call on Kuya Jibon. Please come here. Pasok ka po sa kissing booth. Pasok ka dito sa kissing booth. Kuya Jibon. Halika na, doon ka sa loob. Okay? And we would like to call on his loving wife, Ate Dorothy. Naghihintay na ang iyong soulmate sa loob ng kissing booth, Ate Dorothy. Welcome! Ibibigay mo ang flower. Ibibigay mo yung flower. Okay? Okay, and then what you will say? Happy Valentine's. And because it's a kissing booth, it's a must for a kiss. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. One, two, three, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1. It's not my
Pictures kaya 60 Pro Max for 1.1.
One, two, three, kiss! Ah!